Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, Andrew.
Nayeli.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This one, right?
Yeah, the blue Honda, yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Your key inside?
No, I lost it.
Your last key?
Yeah.
Okay, you need a new one, right? Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I have a key fob Honda.
Yeah.
Do you know remote start? You have before?
Yeah, I had it before.
Okay, it's working.
Thank you.
Okay, I need I know, around 15 minutes maybe. And if you want, you can wait, or and I call you when I finish.
Oh,
if
yeah,
you
can
want.
you call me?
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Okay, you're welcome. Start. Ready to go. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, I checked everything. Remote start work, everything work. Yeah, we can go and check everything. Yeah, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice
Have a
to
good day.
meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you.